Before discussing about the future of agriculture, we first need to understand the challenges faced in agriculture. Climate change is often described as one of the challenges faced in agriculture. The rise in the frequency of floods and drought have reduced productivity in agriculture, leading to lower yield. Looking forward, the rapid increase in the global population is one of the major concerns in the agriculture sector. The United Nations has estimated that the human population will reach 8.5 billion in 2030 and 9.7 billion in year 2050, increasing the demand of agricultural products. Today, technologies were implemented to cope with the problem of agriculture, from hydroponics to aquaponics, to vertical farming, and to genetic engineering in plants. However, how effective are these techniques to solve the future agriculture problems? When we discussed about future agriculture, most of us talked about this, and this. However, we rarely discuss about non-food commercial plants such as oil palm, rubber plants, bamboo plants, and gigantic plants such as fruit trees, which we never ever discussed about. In 2018, the total land area of oil palm plantations was approximately 12.8 million hectares, which is approximately equal to 75,294 of the New Century Global Center, which is the largest building by floor area. And, to show how large the building was, the New Century Global Center is capable of housing the equivalent of 20 Sydney Opera houses. On the other hand, cultured meat is said to be the future agriculture for livestock, acting as a substitute for regular meat. Cultured meats are lab-grown meat grown from obtaining live tissue from the livestock. The stem cell is obtained from the livestock, nurtured and grown in a medium containing nutrient. The cells will be grown into muscle fiber in the lab for about 6 weeks, and will be ready for the food industry. Cultured meats, although reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, the use of land and water, however the major concern for cultured meat is its cost. The production cost for regular meat per pound is only $1.05, while the production cost for cultural meat per pound is $12, which is 11 times higher as compared to regular meat, making it unrealistic for consumers. Meanwhile, the booming indoor farming industry claimed to conquer the future of farming are much less effective and efficient as you think in terms of energy consumption. The energy demanded for vertical farming is much higher than other traditional methods of food production that use sunlight as their main sources of energy. Lettuces grown in traditionally heated greenhouses in the United Kingdom required an estimated 250 kilowatt-hour of energy a year for every square meter of growing area. In comparison, lettuces grown in a purpose-built vertical farm need an estimated 3,500 kilowatt-hour a year for each square meter of growing area. 98% of this energy consumed is due to artificial lighting and climate control. On the other side, indoor farming is hurting the environment due to high electricity consumption as most of the area are still rely on non-renewable resources to generate electricity, releasing tons of greenhouse gases to the environment. Although future agriculture technologies such as drone technology, vertical farming, cultured meat, and others sound like a charm, however in reality, they are ineffective in dealing with agricultural challenges. From costly cultured meat to high-energy consumption vertical farming, to unaddressed problem of gigantic fruit trees and commercial plant, neither of these will work in the future unless improved. Thank you for watching. How do you think about future agriculture technology? Tell us in the comments section below.